What are chicken lollipops and why are they cooked in a filing cabinet? Watch this video for more.
Bullseye took me out to Texas recently to show me the barbecue scene, and they've asked me to come up with a series of recipes that will blow your mind. And these chicken lollipops, they're gonna do just that.
Look at those beauties.
Smouldering.
That's smoking a treat.
Yeah, it's just a benefit.
Chicken drumsticks on the barbecue. No thanks, mate. What about some chicken lollipops? I'll have a couple of them, chef. These are so sweet. Just a little bit of butchery that makes the presentation go through the roof, and then Bullseye I'm going to use as an ingredient with a few things that make them turn out like these beauties.
You see, the Bullseye original barbecue sauce helps me create an incredible glazing sauce.
Basically, it's a simple piece of butchery where we clean the chicken away from the bone and push it down, and then take the knuckle off. And you turn up with something like this. As that cooks, it retreats from the bone a little bit more, and you get a chicken lollipop. Genius. About a quarter of the way down the bone, cut round in a circle, cutting through to the bone. Then just push the meat down with the blade of the knife, revealing the bone. Then turn it round and push the remaining little bit of scrap of meat to the top, and then using a heavy chopper knife, chop the knuckle off. Make sure there's no scraps of meat left at the top of the knuckle, and there you are, ready to go. Now it's time to get the dredge ready for them, and it starts with 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds into a pestle and mortar. Now we're going to pound those down in the pestle and mortar. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of smoked garlic powder and 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper and 2 tablespoons of cumin. Mix that in and put it into your bowl, and now we're going to dredge the chicken through it. So you can already see the flavour that they're going to take on. It's going to really pack a punch. Now for best results, in the fridge overnight to give the chicken the chance to take on all those flavourings. I haven't got time, I'm going to get them into my filing cabinet smoker, so follow me. Now I'm going to smoke these chicken lollipops in my filing cabinet smoker. I've got these hickory wood chips, which go so well with the chicken. I'm just going to put about 3 or 4 scoops of those in, and then it's time to get them onto the heat source. Right, that's smoking a treat. I've got a thermometer in there because I want it to be 160, and then let's get the chicken in. While the chicken's cooking, now let's get the glazing sauce sorted out. And I'm going to use the Bullseye original barbecue sauce that's going to help me deliver a cook strong glazing sauce. So 150 mils into a pan. In she goes. Now I want about 50 mils of apple brandy. In that goes. That's going to deliver a beautiful apple vibe. And then I want 50 mils of water, 50 mils of runny honey, tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and then I'm going to zest this lemon and I'm going to squeeze the juice in. Now let's just incorporate all these ingredients. Let it cook there for 4 or 5 minutes on a simmer to just reduce down slightly, and then we'll nappy it over those chicken lollipops. It's going to be delicious. Right, let's check on our chicken. Oh, look at these beauties. Oh my God, just look at that. Gnarly, oh, smoky, they smell amazing. Let's get them off and glaze them in the kitchen. Right, I'm just going to finish these off for 5 or 10 minutes in the smoker just to get that sauce nice and glazed. Look at those beauties. Just, aren't they going to step your barbecue game up? I mean, like, forget chicken drumsticks. Chicken lollipops are the bomb. I reckon they've got to be £1 each, right? Easy. In fact, 150. Right, now I've got the guys down from Crew Cafe, my coffee business. I'm going to feed them up. Come on. Boys and girls, chicken lollipops.
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
What a treat.
What are you saying?
Top quality, loving it.
Smouldering.
Yeah, it's just straight up delicious.
Amazing, amazing. He might be the one to watch out for on the pricing though. We're going to go around the table and you're going to say what you think it's worth.
£3.50. For one?
For one, it's just for one.
For what? Not for the can't put a price on it.
I don't know, it's tender and zingy, so I'm going to go with £3.
£3 for one.
Juicy Lucy, this would be £3 for 5.
£3 for 5. You tight ass git.
£1.50. I pick.
£1.50, strong Tom. CEO, what you saying, chef?
Delicious. One is not enough, so I'd say £5 for 2.
We're still in business. How much? How much?
I agree with Colin, 2, but I do 2 for £3.
2 for £3.
Yeah.
Give me that. What are you saying? What are you saying, Harry?
I reckon, yeah, I really liked it, so I'll go for 1 for £2.
Finance?
£2.50.
£2.50 for what?
£2.50 for 1. It's delicious, Joe.
£1.50. I'm matching Tom's. £1.50 per.
£1.50. That's it. So it was nice of the coffee guys to come down and celebrate the opening of the new Food Busker studio. If you're liking it, let me know in the comment box below. And would you have paid £1.50 for those chicken lollipops?
I would have done.
Would you?
They were delicious.
So if you think you would have paid £1.50 or whatever you would have paid, let us know in the comment box below. Increase the peace, spread the love, back of the net.